masyadong marami. Masyadong maraming natutunan ng hospital and optimistic, even though I'm not playing with them, I still cherish and gamit ko pa rin yan my everyday life, like being committed on what you're doing. Yan, kasi ito mga na-apply ko, mga naturo niya. You have to be committed on the things that you do on and off the court. Yun, one, and mas siguro, when you're on the court, dapat hindi lang sarili yung isip mo, yung team mo, yun ang first priority. Kung paano dapat first to fourth quarter paglalaban din yung team mo. Dalihin mo sila sa tamang direction, tamang laro. So, ayun yung mga tutunan ko ng shoot. Siyempre, isa pa yung whether you win or lose, hindi dapat walang sisisihin. Kung nagalo ka, huwag ka manunusi. If nanalo ka, huwag ka masyadong mataas. Never too high, never too low. Yung sa basketball, yung tutunan ko.